UiFlow2's I2S function supports direct connection to microphones, DACs, and audio codecs, enabling high-quality audio data transmission. In the left side function expansion, expand hardware. Select the built-in I2S hardware function. Click confirm to load the module. Under the Blockly list in the hardware directory, you will see the loaded I2S Blockly module. Drag the I2S module into the workspace. Initialize the I2S function module, and you can start development programming. Taking the Stick C+2 as an example, fill in the corresponding pin information. Next, a case demonstration will show how to use Stick C+2 with HATSBPkey to play a WAV file transmitted via I2S. This case requires the use of the File I/O file management function. Due to the limited flash space of the Stick C+2 device, the WAV file used should not exceed 1 MB.